So today I'm going to quickly show you how to find your account number on Robinhood. Whether you just need it for whatever reason or you're trying to transfer money out of Robinhood, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that right over here in real time. One thing to keep in mind, if you are transferring money out of Robinhood, there is a $75 fee on your end. Some brokerages will cover that cost for you, so keep that in mind. So here on the main page, we're going to go ahead and click on the person icon on the bottom right-hand side. And then right over here, the quickest way to actually find the number is just to slide all the way to the bottom. So if we do that, you're going to see where it says account number and it says RHS, and you have your account number right then and there. But another way to do so is actually go ahead and click on the settings menu right over here. And at the very top, it says account information. So if we go ahead and click on account information, this will actually pop up right over here. Also, your account number if you need that in a different fashion. Now, if you're trying to transfer your money out of Robinhood, check out my videos right over here to learn the different ways to transfer out to different brokerage accounts. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in that next video.